Arthur North Noy Airport and Hobbs County Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm watch number 372 has been extended until 11 p.m. and expanded to include the following county: Greene, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch.